Reliability is a vital factor when buying a used car. As the prices of vehicles continue to rise, no one wants to pay extra for ongoing repairs. When a car has regular engine trouble, faulty transmission, or the steering and suspension is out of whack, or the electrical system is glitchy, that car is referred to as unreliable. And some cars are consistently a lot more worse than others. According to a recent study conducted by Consumer Reports, it revealed the specific vehicle year, make and models they deemed the least reliable. For today's video, we have chosen the worst 10 sedans for reliability. Before we move on to the list, this video is not sponsored by anyone other than your likes and subscriptions, so please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's go from the bad to the worst. Number 10. 2018 Volvo S90. As usual, Volvo has fitted its 2018 S90 with an array of features, all the way from an optional 12-inch screen with a 19-speaker Bowers & Wilkins premium sound system, advanced lighting, and pilot assist system. Yes, Volvo has made sure the users get something out of their money. However, when it comes to reliability, the second-generation S90 disappoints many of its owners. It's saddled with a poor reliability track record, the common issues being problematic engine performance caused by a faulty engine control module, noticeable vibrations while driving, and persistent brake and electronic troubles. The base model S90's T5 turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine also underperforms and produces an unpleasing, gritty hum. Various users have also complained about the AC system malfunctioning or water leaking on the driver's side. The luxury sedan got a 1 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports. If you're considering purchasing a Volvo S90, particularly a used model with no warranty, think twice and potentially steer clear of this choice. Number 9. 2016 Nissan Altima. Nissan attempted to perk things up with the 2016 refresh that saw a major reworking of the exterior, but the fact is, despite a few high points, it ranks below virtually all of its competitors with a humdrum driving experience and a below-par reliability record. Plenty of Altimas from this year can be found on the used car market, but before you buy one, make sure you understand the common problems. One of the primary issues plaguing the 2016 Altima is its problematic CVT transmission. There have been numerous complaints from drivers regarding sudden stalls in traffic and the transmission slipping. Dealing with a busted transmission is a real bummer, especially when you consider the replacement cost, which can go over $4,000. Apart from that, the 5th-gen Altimas can suffer from issues of drive system, AC, suspension, steering, brakes, and leaks. That's according to CR. Number 8. 2018 Hyundai Sonata. The 7th-generation Hyundai Sonata that came out in 2015 is a comfortable and stylish sedan. Good on gas, roomy back seats, large trunk space, and fold-down rear seats. Many like its smooth riding attribute. But unfortunately, the 2018 Hyundai Sonata is known for electrical system and engine defects. Hyundai has even issued a service bulletin regarding repairs on the 2018 Sonata's engine. Several drivers have experienced ticking noises, stalling, engine misfire, and complete engine failure. Consumer Reports gave the sedan the lowest reliability rating and below average owner satisfaction rating. If you don't want to spend time in an auto shop, simply avoid this car. Number 7. 2019 Audi A6. The Audi A6 underwent a full redesign in 2019, ushering in its 5th generation as a mid-size luxury sedan. You'd think that with the hefty price tag on these luxury vehicles, you're getting a dependable ride. But that's not the case with the A6. This sedan has a laundry list of issues, including problems with the suspension, steering, minor engine glitches, power equipment, and in-car electronics. One owner reported on CR, the power steering partially failed on a road trip home and were able to get the car home. We tried to use it for a local trip before taking to the dealer, and the steering stopped working. The car had to be towed to the dealer. Among the many mid-size luxury cars available, you might want to skip the Audi A6 if reliability is your top priority. Number 6. 2017 Lincoln Continental. Lincoln overhauled its Continental sedan in 2017 with new powertrain options with V6 engine and an exterior redesign to give the sedan a modern look. The car stands out as a spacious luxury sedan, boasting a smooth ride, generous rear legroom, and a wide range of prices. However, the 2017 Lincoln Continental comes across a bunch of issues and complaints. These range from transmission issues to AC troubles. CR rated the sedan 1 out of 5 for reliability and a poor overall score compared to other vehicles in its class. This rating was influenced by owner feedback of major transmission troubles, minor engine concerns, and issues with the electrical system, air conditioning, body hardware, and in-car electronics. Before we go to the next car, if you like this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Number 5. Chevy Cruze. The Chevy Cruze was introduced to the world in 2011, and it seems like it's been nothing but problems since then. That might be why Chevrolet discontinued the model in 2019, but if you're in the used car market, you could very well end up getting this sedan. There are countless complaints on Consumer Reports that state the Chevy Cruze has issues with engine cooling, brakes, and a plethora of different electrical issues. The sedan received the lowest reliability rating and owner satisfaction score. One user, who chose to stay anonymous, mentioned, "I had an oil leak. Turned out to be the engine gasket. They replaced it, but luckily it was covered under warranty." Another owner shared, "The car just overheated mid-drive. I had to get it towed, and the dealer told me it was due to a faulty thermostat." Number 4. 2019 Kia Forte. CR's reliability report for the 2019 Kia Forte looks grim. The list of issues in the red, so to speak, should make any driver think twice before buying one. Drive system, suspension, steering, and AC system all received a dismal 1 out of 5 points for reliability. But the worst trouble spot for the car was its transmission. Drivers claimed that it started acting up and even failed in some cases after racking up only 3,000 to 4,000 miles. Most newer models are sold with warranties that cover any major mechanical failures that happen this early, but it's reasonable for drivers to want to avoid the trouble of dealing with them, especially if they plan to hold on to the vehicle long term. Number 3. Volkswagen Jetta. Long before Volkswagen had a bad reputation for its dirty diesel scandal, it had a reputation for being unreliable. According to Consumer Reports, the Volkswagen Jetta hasn't improved on the overall reliability verdict since 2000, or the oldest data Consumer Reports had listed. The German automaker released the latest Gen Jetta in 2019, but the sedan's reliability concerns continued, from the service brakes to the electrical system and the steering. A lot seems to be going wrong. According to the aggregated survey data, the 2020 model year shows poor reliability and low owner satisfaction ratings. Engine cooling, transmission, drive system, brakes, in-car electronics were the primary trouble spots reported by owners. As per NHTSA, the car maker recalled the 2020 model year 4 times, including for issues with brake caliper. If you're in the market for a used sedan, you would do better off avoiding Jetta. Number 2. 2021 Nissan Sentra. Consumer Reports says the current generation Nissan Sentra is much less reliable than the average new car. This is based on data from 2021 and 2022 models. First, the biggest issue is the continuously variable transmission. For those unfamiliar with CVTs, there are no gears, just an ever-adjusting metal belt that changes gear ratios as a computer adjusts them. Sometimes they work fine, but this one really doesn't. CVTs have become more common in recent years in the name of fuel economy. Nissan went bigger on this than just about any automaker. Apart from the transmission problems, owners also complained about issues with drive system, brakes, noises, and leaks on CR. You may see low prices on a pre-owned Sentra, but it may not be worth the headache. Number 1. Ford Focus. The Ford Focus is a popular choice for new drivers who want a sporty yet budget-friendly hatchback as their first vehicle. But in reality, owners had to go through nightmares with many unforeseen problems and repairs. It's no wonder the automaker decided to discontinue this model after 2018. The 2018 Ford Focus received a wide range of complaints on Consumer Reports, including defective transmission, faulty powertrain, malfunctioning brakes, electric system, AC and fuel systems issues. 2012 to 2018 Focus had a dual-clutch automatic transmission that was known to be extremely problematic. It was so bad that it became the subject of a class action lawsuit with over 2 million affected customers who stand to get some form of compensation. The most common engine problem with the Focus includes fluctuating RPM, pre-ignition at low speeds, and engine stalling. As per Consumer Reports, the 2018 Ford Focus is the most unreliable used sedan you can buy in North America. That's all for today. If you've owned a sedan that turned out to be a lemon, please comment down below with the year, make, and model, as well as the problem you encountered. Before you go, I want to give a special shout out to our very first channel member, Elmer Thomas. We truly appreciate your support. Love our content? Now you can join as a member to the SUV Geek channel and earn loyalty badges and access custom emojis for your comments. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon with another informative video.